First stream alert. Nice.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Rock City, 10 miles northeast of Freeport, moving northeast at 35.
Bruh, moment.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Monitor in Chicago today. From Maryland. I mean Virginia, whatever.
To vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roscoe, South Beloit, Rockton, Durand, Harrison, Sherwin, and Lake Somerset, including the following Interstate 90 between
Why Chicago issued that? I thought DVN would.
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Ooh, tornado possible tag.
Quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
This is an FM transmitter, by the way.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is.
Oh, Milwaukee! Milwaukee!
In south central Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m.
Bro, Milwaukee, come on. Milwaukee.
Located over Davis, 13 miles.
I haven't heard Milwaukee Sullivan in so long. It's been over 2 years. It's been almost 2 years since I've heard it.
Source, radar indicated.
I have not heard that since I've moved out here.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location
Hello, Milwaukee Sullivan. I have returned to monitoring you.
Clinton, Orfordville, Footville, Newark, Tiffany, Hanover, Avalon, Afton, Shapir, Avon, Emerald Grove, Brighton, and Fogpolo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, I missed this. Yep, and there it is. Called it. Actually, I saw it coming.
Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Stevens.
Hello, Quad Cities. I have never heard from you before.
3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near it, or 9 miles northwest of Polo, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail.
Source, radar indicated.
Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Leonard, Cheyenne, German Valley, Ladon, and Alberta's airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy
No,
building.
this stream is a little finicky.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for
Well, there you go.
hail.
Here we go again.
Source:
Bro, my camera glitched, bro.
impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Here we go again. Ogle, Illinois.
Roof, siding, and trees. Locations:
Tornado possible, too.
Janesville, Beloit, South
Nice.
Beloit, Clinton,
Okay.
Orfordville, Newark.
Wrap it up, Chicago. Wrap it up. Wrap it up, Rockford. Thank you. Thank you.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ogle County in north central Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cheyenne, or 8 miles northwest of Polo, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
You know what? I want to set my tripod. Like, really set it up.
Locations impacted include Forreston,
After this alert.
and Baileyville. The main alert for a possible tornado
Yep, TOR possible.
to develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once
Go
to the
all the
basement or
way
small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. severe
TOR.
Baileyville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe
Rock County
thunderstorms.
TOR.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small section room in a sturdy structure.
Quad Cities. Storm thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m.
Oh boy, SPC Janesville is under this. My boy in Janesville is under this.
Moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
That's not good.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Wakey camera.
vehicles will occur. Tree damage
Now
is
what?
likely. Locations impacted
Oh,
include
jeez.
Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Clinton, Newark, Tiffany, Bugs Hollow, Afton, and Trevere. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather
That's mine.
Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
It's Chicago area. Unrecognized message!
central Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm
Unrecognized message! I hate when it does that.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter size.
I hate when you do that. Stop. Just funny. Just the funny. Funny. Hey, get over here. Get over here. Ah, there goes my camera's battery. Quad Cities issue. Oh boy. Where's that? Whoo! Nope. We ain't there yet.